Hey guys, welcome back again. Now today in this video I am going to show you how to fix iMessages sound effect on MacBook. So for this guys, first method, force quit the iMessage app. So click on the Apple icon and select here guys force quit. And now find here iMessage app, for the example this one. Just select the app and after this click on force quit. So this is the first method. And the second method, check here if sound effects are enabled. So for this guys, press the command plus space and now type here messages and select here messages option. And now guys, go to the messages settings and check here guys play sound effects. After this, restart your Mac and try. And the third method, sign out and sign in again your iMessage app. And the fourth and final method, update the iMessages app. So for this guys, open the App Store and now select here updates. Check here guys iMessage update option. If update is available, you update the app and after this once again restart your device and try. Hopefully guys this time it will fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.